I? I start with D. I am a dog. Who am I? I start with C. I am a cat. Who am I? I start with E. I am an elephant. Who am I? I start with M. I am a monkey. Who am I? I start with F. I am a fox. Who am I? I start with T. I am a tiger. Who am I? I start with Z. I am a zebra. Who am I? I start with C. I am a cow. Who am I? I start with L. I am a lion. Who am I? I start with G. I am a giraffe. Who am I? I start with P. I am a panda. Who am I? I start with K. I am a kangaroo. Who am I? I start with P. I am a penguin. Who am I? I start with S. I am a shark. Thank you for watching this video.